So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to drop something. I was listening to Pastor West community message. Why? It was, I think, 16 minute audio clip. I was listening to it. And my mom was like, you can just create something. So I just got out some erecting this thing. I just composed a release and work towards it as a producer. So, and I was like, why don't I do something like PC Nation, then featuring Pastor W Kumi voice. Yes, I don't have right to say Pastor W Kumi because it's not aware. So I'll just say his voice. So Pastor W Kumi voice, and that was good. So please do well to just, when you listen to just it will be coming out soon. So I'm working on something. I think by before the end of this tomorrow I'll be today. So anytime I see this before the end of the year, so it will be streamed in all platforms, especially Z. It just any platform you see, it will just be played there. Most especially the video. Let's say I just do a little video of it. It will now be played on the YouTube. Yes, the video will be played on YouTube. While the audio will be played on other platforms. So like support and let's see how it goes. Thank you.
Praise the Lord. Everybody say why. Can you say that again?
I met you in Bethel.